Hello viewers, a couple of days ago I shared that Microsoft Edge would soon get a dedicated tab group button to make accessing your tab group easier. July 24 on my stable boot, Microsoft has added this tab group button to the bookmark or favorites bar. Here are a quick overview. On the top left of the bookmark bar, you will now see a new tab group button. Clicking it let you create a new tab group. You can also click it again to view and manage your existing groups. By right clicking any group, you can move it to a new windows or delete it. Another change is that a tab group option has also been added to the main Edge menu. If you don't want to the tab group button on your bookmark bar, it's easy to hide it. Just right click the favorites bar, find the show tab group option and toggle it off. The button will disappear from the bar, but note that the menu entry will remain in the main menu. Disabling it on the favorites bar won't remove it from the main menu, but at least it reduces the clutter on your screen. I want to make this quick update since it has now reached the stable version. Let's look the Microsoft rollout via a server side update as I am seeing it on both my devices. They are seeing it in Edge, so it seems to be roll out globally. I just want to post this follow-up video for anyone who didn't know about it yet, or who want to enable or disable the button. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.